Welcome to the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. Here's the latest seafood news for the week of July 29th, 2013. For the second year in a row, dramatic price increases followed the Alaskan Sockeye opening. The quickly rising prices caught many companies off guard as early reports of large fish returns came in. Price increases were exactly the opposite of what many predicted, with the 2013 Sockeye prices starting at $1 per pound more than 2012. Buyers who hesitated during the early weeks waiting for prices to come down may find themselves short of fish and paying a premium at this point. Some processors have advised they opted to abandon fresh sales as profit on frozen sales is significantly higher. Now, some of you have asked what is forecasted for Canadian sockeye out of the Fraser River. The total Fraser sockeye forecast is 4,765,000 fish for 2013, which is relatively low as the 2013 year cycle has the second highest average return of the 4 cycles of Fraser sockeye. The reason the forecast is so low is due to the 2009 brood year return, which was one of the lowest on record. Despite severely restricted fishing in 2009, the return was still less than 15% of the average return for the 2013 year class brood. Recent test fishery results have returned mixed results. San Juan de Fuca fishing has been very poor, while Johnson Strait has been above average. There have been unofficial reports that some native food fisheries have been canceled due to poor sockeye returns, which is a bad sign for commercial fishers. It is uncertain whether there will be a commercial opening this season for Fraser River sockeye. One BC packer said they would be surprised if there was any Fraser River commercial sockeye fishing in 2013, while another said they expect commercial fishing to be open within 2 weeks. This will either be great news or very bad news for buyers who hope to find supply relief from Canada. We will report on any developments over the coming days. Now for some updates on pink salmon. Russia's pink salmon fishery has been lukewarm with low early returns, which is concerning many in the industry. Russia, Canada, and the USA were expecting very large returns, which have not yet materialized. Prices have remained strong at or slightly above 2012 prices, with no sign of softening. The early slow fishing and aggressive buying in Asia may push prices upward if poor fishing continues. Canadian pink salmon runs are headed to the Nass River and Fraser River systems. Despite a strong run return expected in the Fraser of 8,926,000 fish, fishing may be hampered if sockeye escapements are not met. Though there has not been an official announcement, it does not appear that there will be a commercial sockeye fishery of any consequence in the Fraser. Fraser River pink and sockeye are moving together at the moment, which means fishers will not be able to harvest pinks as long as sockeyes remain closed. Meanwhile, Nass River fishing of pinks is estimated to be 1.2 million fish caught, more than 5 times the harvest of last year. The Nass River July 12th to 24th no gill netting break came to an end and opened July 25th and 26th. No new catch data was available at the time of the airing of this episode. However, on July 11th, they ended with an estimated 151,275 pinks caught. We will continue to follow both the Fraser and Nass fisheries, and report back harvest and pricing numbers to you. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This is Robert Reierson. Buy smart and eat more seafood.